What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jayda Jonét, and I'm back with another video. And as you already see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this ginger wig. This video is sponsored by Alipearl hair, so major shout out to them. All the links and specs will be in the description box below. But as y'all already see, this wig is giving natural ginger redhead. Like, it was everything, and I usually don't like ginger on me, but I really love this color. I feel like it was the perfect fit. So if you guys want to see how I installed this, stay tuned. Alright, so I installed this wig at school. Like I said, I have to make the most of my time nowadays. So I said, let me go ahead and install this while I'm on the clock, child. Doing hair, might as well. So here I'm installing my bald cap method with my Erica J glue. And just letting that stick on, and you can go in with a freeze spray or whatever to help that adhere a little more. Then I go in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and I'm just applying that. Then I go in and clean my hairline with alcohol, and I use the adhesive skin guard to help the glue adhere better. Cutting off my ear tabs, measuring up this wig, and I was super scared for this wig, y'all. I don't know why, because the last time I tried a light ginger like this, I did not like it at all. So I was very scared, but it actually came out really good. So here I'm just smoothing out my glue until it is clear, and then I'm gonna go ahead and lay that wig down. So here I'm pressing that wig into that glue, using my comb, using my fingertips, and everything else. So you want to make sure you get that right into that glue and just work it in there. Okay, so yeah, this is me like geeking because I knew it was gonna be so cute. I was like, oh my god, yes, it's gonna eat. So here's the goodies they sent: wig cap, lashes, and all these different little scarves. So here I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Alipearl lace band, and this is just used to help adhere that glue in that lace even more. So here we are, and I'm gonna add a curl while I wait, and I'm using my T3 curlers. This is the middle size, or is that the big size? I can't tell from right here, but it might be the big size or the middle size. I really can't tell. Okay, so once I finish my curls, I'm going to go ahead and take off that elastic band, and then you're going to get prepared to cut off that lace. And the elastic band, like y'all see, it just melts it into your freaking skin. So the next thing that I'm going to do is take my straight razor, and I'm going to literally just cut that lace, excess lace off. And as y'all see, like, it's giving scalp already. I did need to apply just a little bit more makeup, but it's melted. It's very melted, and it's gonna be even more melted once you get everything else into it. I did cut myself, but child, that's something I do all the time, so I'm used to it. But yeah, just cut that lace off with a little eyebrow razor, and yeah. So at this point, I had taken down my curls, and I'm just trying to see what I'm working with. It is giving everything. The curls are fire. I just loved everything about this hair. I might just put this wig back on for Thanksgiving. Like, I need to find me a Thanksgiving look so I could really figure out how I want to look. But I think it's giving ginger for Thanksgiving, because I have not took any pictures with ginger hair. So I think it's giving ginger for Thanksgiving. I think that's the vibes that we're giving this year. But yes, I loved everything about this hair and its install. And so the next thing you do is you get to the baby hairs. So that is what I'm working on. My edges, when it comes to a side part, I'ma always do me a big swoop, just because that's what I like. I feel like there's no other way to do a side part without doing it, because that's how I do my real edges when I have a side part. So once they started coming out with this and I figured out how to do it, I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do this every trip. So that's what y'all see me doing my baby hairs. And I use spray, and I may occasionally use got to be gel, but that's very, very rare. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. This is how everything came along. I just have on this white sweater, and I think it came out super cute. I'm just curling out my curls, and I feel like I'm just goated with this curling and stuff like that. I feel like it just comes out so cute every time. Like, I feel like I've mastered a side part. Like, if I can't do nothing else, I'm gonna do a side part, whether it's a wig, whether it's a quick weave, whether it's a sew-in. I'm going to do the hell out of a side part. So yes, I loved everything about this. I just feel like it fit me so perfectly, and I was actually really scared of this wig, so I'm glad that it came out the way that it did, because it just looks so good. So again, major shout out to Alipearl for sponsoring this video. I really have zero complaints with this wig. And yeah, I think that sums up this video. Thank you all for watching. As always, everything will be linked in the description box below that you may need to know. And yeah, I love you all. Look forward to the wig giveaway that I will be having in December. I know I haven't really talked about it much. I don't have the rules together yet, but I will by the end of this week. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next freaking video. Peace.